Do you know this plant costed me 450 rupees? Can you imagine? Why these indoor plants are becoming more popular and expensive? How did it happen?
You know what? In 1989, NASA conducted a study on indoor plants. The main purpose of conducting this study was to understand how these plants can detoxify the air in the space station environments. However, this study was conducted in a closed gas chamber which was approximately 2 feet wide and 2 feet long. Just because they were able to purify some of the air pollutants, it led to the consumers to believe that these plants are air purifying plants. Now remember, the experiment was conducted in the closed gas chamber. However, the plants in our home are in an open environment wherein they will remove the toxins but at a very slow rate, and definitely they cannot match the amount of air exchange happening in our house.
In 500 square feet apartment, we need at least 5,000 plants. Imagine, we have to live in a mini forest to get the purified air. Oh my god, did I waste my money then?
No! These green plants can actually increase the aesthetic appeal of your house. Moreover, the green color can actually soothe your eyes and calm your mind. So the moment you enter your house and you see this greenery around you, you feel refreshed.
We all are moved away from the nature and we started living in this concrete jungle.
Our stress is only increased by detaching ourselves from this beautiful nature. So keeping indoor plants is just a one step to make us feel that we are a part of this nature.
Do you agree?